Well, at the Wave Summit 2025, what's happened is that global gaming giant Krafton has showcased cutting-edge games. These include titles by Indian studios, reaffirming its strong support for India's gaming and interactive entertainment ecosystem. With over $200 million invested since 2021 and more on the way, Krafton remains the largest investor in this space. The CEO, Sean Hunil-son, has shared in this exclusive conversation with Tapas Bhattacharya.
India's gaming industry is poised for a big leap, and to talk about that, I have with me the CEO of Krafton, Sean here, popularly known for the brand BGMI. BGMI is very famous in India, and you guys are actually leading from front when it comes to online gaming. How do you see India's this particular sector growing in the next few years, and how Krafton is going to lead from that?
Definitely, Indian gaming market is growing. It's one of the fastest growing market in the world. In other countries or globally, gaming industry grows maybe 3, 4, 5% per year. But India, it grows 15 to 20% every year. So, which is a very big opportunity for us, and that's why we have established our presence here.
Waves is a huge opportunity for all the players, big gunners, small players to come under one roof. How does it feel being here? How's the energy here?
Yeah, it's definitely, I think, one of the first events that we are seeing in this scale, especially with the government's full support and the leadership support. So I think it feels very, very different and very, very motivated.
Can you tell us more about the Garuda platform?
Garuda Saga, yeah.
Garuda Saga. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, Garuda Saga is one of the games that we brought to India in 2024, early 2024. There is an original version which has a bit of global appeal, but now back then we skinned it into with the Indian mythology. So we introduced that version into India, which worked quite well.
How does it feel to work with India's top minds?
Kiki is a Krafton India gaming incubator program. We incubated for independent indie game developers in India last year. Now we are starting another incubation with 6 different studios. I feel that it's very fulfilling and very motivated to work with them because they are learning very quickly. Obviously they are not very experienced. It's maybe their first game or second game. They are very small team, 5 people, 6 people, 7 people. But through our incubation, they get financial support and mentorship from our global veteran developers. I can see that they are growing really, really fast. So I believe that they will maybe come up with a very good polished game in the next 6 months or 12 months.
Do we see something big coming from BGMI, from Krafton, when it comes to in the next few days, when it comes to gaming portal, anything, any sort of an institute where you guys can have more Indians working with you?
Yeah, sure. Obviously we have a few products in pipeline. So we haven't announced it, so we cannot really name the specific game, but there are a couple of games we want to launch for Indian market in this year.
That's Sean, the CEO of Krafton, betting big on Indian market, saying that this is a place which is growing faster than the rest of the world. With Tapas Bhattacharya, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for GT India from Mumbai.